Well, I am absolutely thrilled to be here at the Mushroomery in Lebanon, and I'm here with Jen. And Jen, there was so much information I want to get out of you. We have such limited time, so I'm going to jump right in to what is behind us is actually a vegetable garden where you grow mushrooms, right?
It is. We grow vegetables and mushrooms together right here.
And that just freaks me out a little because how do you do that? I would have never put those two together, and yet here they are.
Yeah, so we made our rows and we planted our seeds in these rows. And in the walkways, we ended up putting myceliated sawdust in there.
Okay, well, that word alone scares me. What is myceliated sawdust?
It means sawdust that we have inoculated with mushroom mycelium. That means basically planted mushroom mycelium into that. And mycelium is essentially the roots of mushrooms.
And then you make what are kind of leftover logs of those things, and that's what has already grown the mushrooms. So you break them up and put them here?
We do, and it's for multi-purposes, really. We use it as a mulch so weeds won't grow through, and we don't have to weed as much. It adds nitrogen, and we also get mushrooms out of it.
And then tell me about, like, I see some seedlings starting here, but what is the connection between mushroom growth and harvesting and the vegetables you grow? Is there a connection there at all?
Well, some of the mycelium that we plant is considered a companion planter. Things like white elm, the garden giant, they actually create a beneficial relationship with the plants in the garden.
Oh, wow. And I feel like when we were talking, you said white giant, was that the name?
Garden giant?
Garden giant. That one that you have and you tell people how to grow is actually a perennial mushroom,
it is.
right?
It's
Wow.
a perennial mushroom. It's easy to establish in your garden. It comes back every year. And one of the neatest things about it is at the end of its mycelial thread, this kind of root, it grows a spike which stabs and consumes pesky nematodes in your garden.
Oh my goodness. Well, and quickly, we're going to go to another place here in a minute, but how many varieties do you grow? But you also sell them at markets. How many do you sell?
We grow about 7 different varieties at the farm, and we sell spawn that you can use to make outdoor mushroom beds with at least 5 of those varieties.
Wow, wonderful. Well, let's take a minute and walk over to another location and talk to a different guy that's here, okay?
Okay.
Come on over. Okay, Jen, well, clearly we're inside now, but tell me, what is this part of the business and why are we in here?
So this is one of our 6 grow rooms.
Wow.
It's 100% climate controlled for temperature, humidity, fresh air, and light.
And standing here now, I am seeing mushrooms growing, but I have to say, it's like from a cartoon almost. The colors are exquisite here.
Yeah, this is our subtropical grow room. And we have some pink oyster growing. There's some golden oyster. They're absolutely beautiful.
They are beautiful. So, you know, I find it so fascinating that we came here and met you and got to understand this. So where can people, our viewers, find out more? Where can you be reached at?
You can actually talk to us in person, either at our farm. We have a farm stand, or at one of the farmers markets we attend on Saturday, which is the Eugene, Corvallis, and Beaverton Farmers Market. We're also at the Portland People's Co-op Farmers Market on Wednesday in Portland.
And is there a place you have all that listed somewhere?
On our website at themushroomery.net and also on our Facebook page.
Wonderful. So if you are as fascinated and excited as I am about this story and growing your own mushrooms, and to figure out how you can either grow them outside or you can even buy them fresh and eat them during that time period, you can go to gardentype.tv. We'll click you over to their website. Thank you so much, Jen.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you.